All right, as usual on the Wednesday night edition of Weather for Weather Geeks, Andrew's joining me tonight. How are you,
Yeah.
sir?
Good. How are you?
Excellent, excellent. Our weather's been a little bit active today.
Yeah, a little bit.
We're going to talk about that in just a second, but
Yeah.
you are Andrew of Andrew's Answers. Tell us about Andrew's Answers.
So Andrew's Answers is a little segment we run on WFMJ Weekend Today in the 9 a.m. hour on Sunday. So how it works is viewers send in questions. You can send them in, whether it be weather@wfmj.com. If you head to meteorologist Andrew DiPaolo on Facebook or on Twitter at AndrewWFMJ, or if you're watching this and you're like, how do I get there? Just comment below in the comments box. Ask me your weather-related questions, and then I'll answer them on air. Coming up this Sunday, I'm going to be answering Marissa's question. She wants to know how clouds are formed. And this could be about anything, weather myths, severe weather, winter weather, whatever weather question you might have thought of in the past, ask me away.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah.
And 9 o'clock hour on Sunday. Look for Andrew to answer some tough weather questions.
Yeah.
Well, the weather's been tough up in Canada. Look at these temperatures.
Yeah.
Now, this is early May.
Yeah.
And we have temperatures up in the 80s, even 88 degrees in Saskatoon. Why are we showing you this? Well, you may have seen on the news over the last 24 hours some serious wildfires up in Alberta, up around Fort McMurray, right here, where it's 82 degrees here on this early May evening. It's a classic combination of not only is it hot, but it's dry and it's been windy. Dew points are in the 30s. The relative humidity is very low. And so, unfortunately, big problems up there. The good news for them is it's going to start to cool off next couple of days.
Yeah.
So that's a big national, or even international, I should say, weather story ongoing right now. All right, let's come home and talk about what's been going on today. This is a 12-hour radar loop. Quiet start to the day, then right around lunchtime, showers started to pop up here and there. And did you see any showers at your house before you came in today?
Not before I came in, but we're about to.
Yeah, exactly. Let's stop with the current radar. Here at 7:24 now, I realize a lot of you will be watching this well after this, but this is what the radar looked like. Just about all of Columbiana County getting wet, and everything is tracking off to the north. Let's just do a half-hour loop on this, and it's kind of slow. So in the places that it's raining, it's going to be raining for a while. So everyone's lawn getting a nice drink. This evening, we had some thunder and lightning earlier on south towards the Steubenville area, but that has gone away. Here's a look at some backyard rain totals. Columbiana County, again, no surprise, has gotten the most today. About a third of an inch towards Guilford and Lisbon, about a quarter of an inch or so East Palestine, but at my house in Boardman, only a hundredth of an inch.
Yeah, and those numbers are about to change, especially for those living in Mahoney County.
Yeah, exactly, as this continues creeping off to the north. It's interesting how this will transpire overnight. This low pressure system, which is basically out here across western Ohio, is going to shift southward overnight, and you'll notice the spin, the counterclockwise spin around that low, and everything's just going to start pivoting or rotating to a different orientation here as we go through the night. And by tomorrow morning, if you're getting up early on a Thursday morning, I think we're going to be on the north side of this, and it's probably going to be lightly raining or drizzling, kind of a murky start to Thursday. Be a good day to sleep in if you can. Here's a look at what you can expect for the rest of Thursday. As that low continues sinking south, I think that steady period of rain or drizzle is out of here for the afternoon, but there could be a residual shower. Remember how Monday looked?
Yeah.
It's going to look kind of like that.
Yeah.
And even rain a little bit. We didn't see much rain Monday, but tomorrow promises to be a little bit damp at times. But we're going to get that out of the way in time for Friday. You know, we were talking earlier, Andrew, about some of the modeling tries to bring a little moisture back into western PA at least on Friday.
Especially to the easternmost portion of our viewing area,
Yeah, the NAM model had that, the GFS to some extent. Here's the RPM model, doesn't really have it, but we've thrown in a 20% chance of a little bit of rain Friday, but I think that it's mostly I-79 and east at this point. So that's Friday. As we go into the weekend, Mother's Day weekend coming up, and Saturday's going to be a nice day. I think we'll get into a southwest flow in the afternoon. This is our next weather maker, this front, but the timing on this pretty good in that I think we'll get in most of the daylight hours dry on Saturday with the showers and storms, maybe starting 8, 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
Something like that Saturday evening. So you can get your outdoor plans in without much of a problem at all on Saturday. As far as additional rainfall, here's a look at our modeling. The RPM sticks out here with a little more rain than some of the other models, but nonetheless, so we're talking about probably an average of a quarter of an inch-ish from here on out through Thursday night and into Friday. All right, let's talk about the rest of the weekend then. We talked about Saturday being okay. This is Saturday evening. Showers, maybe some thunder. I guess I wouldn't be shocked if there's some gusty storms trying to mix in there. And then that's gone by Sunday morning. So you want to do a picnic with Mom? Or anything with Mom outdoors? Jacket weather?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do we think? Lower 60s?
Yeah.
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 And so light jacket, sweater, but the sun should be shining on Sunday. Then the modeling sort of diverges a little bit next week. Here's the GFS on Monday, suggesting maybe increase in clouds, maybe a late day shower. We kept our forecast dry for now, but we'll have to keep an eye on that. And then a pretty good low looks to go through the Midwest here midweek, and a warm front will push in. And it looks pretty warm, but maybe unsettled for a time.
Yeah.
During the middle of the week. All right, as far as temperatures go, here's a look at the GFS Ensemble temperature graph. Don't take these numbers verbatim. They're going to be wrong by some degree every day, but pay attention to the trends. Here's our warm Saturday, a little cooler for Mother's Day, and then that midweek spike before maybe trailing back again towards the end of next week. All right, if you don't follow Andrew on social media, what's wrong with you? But anyway, put meteorologist in front of your name to find you on Facebook.
And then at Andrew WFMJ for Twitter and Instagram.
All right, yes, we're both on Instagram. Posting pictures of our dogs.
Yes, just got a dog.
Yes.
Yeah, lack of sleep is all there, yeah.
It's like having a kid.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching Weather for Weather Geeks. I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 11 o'clock.